Today, hindi lang tayo nagpatugtog ng good vibes, nag-share din tayo ng real talk about what's happening around us. From the ongoing mining issues na patuloy na nakakaapekto sa ating kalikasan, and at sa ating komunidad hanggang sa usapin sa West Philippine Sea na patuloy na hinaharap ng ating bansa. These are reminders na hindi lang tayo listeners, we are citizens. And we are voices, we are dreamers, and of course, we are people with responsibility. Remember mga ka-dreamers, ang tunay na dream high hindi lang tungkol sa personal, hindi lang tungkol sa pagiging successful. It is about dreaming for a better Philippines. Kung may pagmimi naman na sumisira sa kalikasan, let's stay informed. Kung may tension man sa ating karagatan, let's stand firm in unity and knowledge. Hindi man tayo nasa front lines, pero may power tayo sa awareness, sa conversations, at sa choices natin araw-araw. Keep striving, keep questioning, keep caring. Dahil ang pangarap, na may malasakit, mas mataas ang lipad. This has been your Ate DJ Senpai, reminding you, stay woke, stay kind, and always dream high. 104.7 Dream Radio. Happy lunchtime, everyone.